Materials Enrich is our best-in-class solution that empowers organizations to leverage material data more effectively. To start with, you need to define the name of the campaign that you're going to execute to enrich materials. It's a 5-stage process, the first of which is to select the materials that you would like to have as the baseline for your enrichment process. 3 existing material records were previously imported and are selected from materials connect to be augmented intelligently. The existing material data are represented in a matrix. In this summary, you can see an empty cell with missing tensile response among the imported data which you can otherwise visualize. The process of managing gaps needs to be defined, where you can either fill the one existing gap that's there, or in this case create some new combinations which are an amalgamation of the different materials' properties and testing conditions that are available in our baseline. In addition to what already existed, 5 new records also need to be filled in. The user can choose among different enrichment technologies that combine material modeling with machine learning through pure AI, physics-informed AI, or digital tests. Materials Enrich provides you with an estimation of the substantial amounts of time and costs that you can save with the digital enrichment campaign relative to the physical testing campaign. These savings estimations also depend on the type of tests that need to be done. The material data are generated fast, powered by efficient cloud computing resources. A fidelity indicator provides you with the estimated accuracy of the enriched data, and you can view the generated values and curves. You can view the enriched data in concert with the original baseline data at the start of the enrichment process. The enriched data is bold and with the appropriate labeling to show the pedigree and provenance of where that information came from. That is irrespective of whether it is combination of measured and enriched data or purely enriched data.